Evening. Well, it's been such a wet day today across the East Midlands. We are going to see the winds just increasing a little bit more now through the evening, and that's as Storm Anthony starts to pull away towards the east. So still some rain out there for a good few hours before it gradually starts to ease overnight. Still a legacy of cloud around with just a few clear spells developing, and the nighttime temperature drops to a minimum close to 9 Celsius into the early hours. Now tomorrow is going to be a better day. There will be a little bit of sunshine around, although the cloud will develop again, and we will start to see some showers as well through the daytime. I think certainly better than it was today, but the temperature's also feeling a little bit warmer with highs over 18 Celsius.